an age-old practice in Yemen dating back to the 2nd millennium BC. Yemeni honey is renowned for its delicious flavor, with one of the finest varieties coming from bees that feed on the sidra tree. From 2022, WFP has supported 5,180 beekeepers in Yemen with training and cash to increase resilience among urban and rural households.
والله خير أعطانا النحل جمعية وذا الحين نشتغل يعني أكثر دخل على النحل ونجي الصباح إلى عنده نلبس الثوب ونجي يعني ونعطي حقه الماء وسكر ونشوف شيء مرض فيه وش أي حاجة نشوفها فيه يعني نقول تعالي تو من قدامنا ما يهتلك عليه كله. وبعد شهر نجريه نبيع العسل.
Yemen's beekeepers produce over 1,500 tons of honey each year, which provides income for 100,000 people. This honey is considered to be some of the best in the world and is vital to the local economy of this war-torn nation.